Greetings to all of you. Here this video can guide you to create an assignment in Olympus. So now open your dashboard and click on the batch whatever and wherever you want to create assignment. Now click on courses. Now in this my course, the course which I am teaching is remote sensing, so I am clicking on this. Okay, so in this we have assignments, discussions, grades, people, quizzes, modules. Okay, so here if you want to give an assignment which is a file upload type, okay, if you want to students to be upload a file as an assignment, so you need to click on assignments. Or if you want to give a quiz, okay, to the students, if you want to assign a quiz, then you need to click on quizzes. Okay, now first I'm gonna explain about assignments. So click on assignments. Okay, so here for generating a new assignment we need to click on add assignment, right? Now so in the assignment name, okay, so we can type as our choice. So now I am typing as RSN GIS. Okay, assignment sample. As I have already assigned, so I am giving here a sample assignment. Okay, so now so this box is for question. Okay, this box is for title, that means assignment 1 or assignment 2, and subject. So this box is for question. Okay, now if you want to type a question you need to type here. Okay, so or you have already previously have a question in any Word document, then go to that particular document and copy this and open that Olympus and paste here. Okay, I have pasted this. Now as I have assigned this question previously, okay, I'm gonna give some note to the students. Okay, if you want to give any note you need to type here only. Okay, so there is no any other text box for giving any instructions, so the only available box is here. Okay, it is only the main for question or instructions, anything. Okay, now after this you need to assign points for this assignment. Okay, based on these points it will useful as to give the points. Okay, here the students can able to know the marks for this particular assignment. Okay, so I am here giving 15 marks, and here you need to click on online. Okay, so as we are going to give a file uploading type assignment, so check. Okay, click on checkbox here, and so if you are need to restrict students to upload particular type of file like PDF, Word, Excel or text type, okay, you need to give the particular type format here. So I want to students only upload PDF files, so that I am restricting them by clicking on checkbox. Okay, so restrict upload file types. Now you need to give that particular type, whichever you want to restrict the students to a particular PDF format. Now So see this, you don't need to activate this because we don't have any groups, we have only single group. Okay, next assign to everyone. Next due date. So as we are on 7th, okay, today it is 7th September. So if you want to give 1 week time, then you need to click on 14th, but I want to give this assignment only the last date as 8th, so I'm clicking on 8. So basically it will select automatically a time 11:59 p.m. that means tomorrow's midnight. Okay, midnight of 8th September. So or if you want to edit, you can edit here. Okay, I'm okay with this time. Okay, so that I'm allowing that time. Next I'm going to available from, this means the starting time. Okay, if you want to allow the students to upload files from right now, you need to give today's date. Okay, or if you want to the students upload only after or any particular date, you need to select that particular time. As we have no time, as I have selected 8th, I am giving this time 7th, and it automatically select a time. Okay, no need to type any time. So if you want to select particular time or today's evening 6 p.m. or whatever it is, okay, if you have any time in your mind, you can select that particular time here by clicking here and typing. Okay, so I don't want to edit this. If you want to give that time, hours, minutes, AM or PM. Okay, so I'm going with system basic time. Okay, and until, this means as the last date 8th September 11:59 p.m. you can easily select the same time. Okay, simply select the same time as 8th. Okay, so 11:59 and here 11:59. So these both times can be or should be same. Okay, done. So that now you can click on save and publish. Okay, if you click only on save, it can't be published to the students, it will be shown only in your dashboard. Okay, it doesn't visible to the students in their dashboard. So that by clicking this you can publish. Okay, now it is available on the students dashboard, so students can see this RSMGS assignment sample. Okay, RSMGS assignment sample. So if you want to edit at any time, you can edit before the last time, sorry, last date. Before the last date you can edit this. Okay, by clicking on this. So if you want to unpublish, you can unpublish. So this is how an assignment can be made in this Olympus software. Okay, thank you.